The ratchet blade is compatible with all cutting machines. Use it for cutting vinyl, heat transfer, paper, and select specialty materials. You will need to use the black tool adapter to use the ratchet blade with the Cameo 4 and Portrait 3. In Silhouette Studio, select your blade and material under the Send tab and find the required depth setting. Use the slot on your machine to adjust your blade to the correct setting. You can also use the blade adjustment tool that came with your machine. Pull out the lock lever and insert the ratchet blade into tool carriage 1. Secure the blade by pushing the locking mechanism back into place. Check out the video description for additional information and resources.